Hello guys, I hope you are fine, and this is the next tutorial of the HTML CSS tutorial series. And in the previous tutorials we learned many things, and I will just go through some of them in this tutorial. Like we learned the doc type of HTML5. This is the doc type of HTML5, and after that we start the HTML section. We close it like this, and inside this we have the head section, not the header, just the head, and then the head is closed. And inside the head we had the title section, and this we give the title. I will show you where it will be displayed. Home University. And then we had the body, and here we write whatever we need to display, we want to display on the page. So let's display this page in a web browser. Open with Chrome. So this is the display on that page, and whatever we wrote in that title section, it is displayed over here. If you can see it, it is displayed over here. We can have attributes here as well. We can define the HTML lang attribute en, we can write, which defines the language of the document. There are various attributes which we can add over here, and also we learned that how we can add the link to style sheet. Here we just give them main.css the link to our style sheet, which is not yet created. So let's create it, main.css. so it will be added. Now it's added over there, and now let's see that how many headers do we have. H1 in HTML we have headings from H1 up to H6. so let's see how it is shown. This is heading, and this is H1, this is H2, this is heading, and let's copy this line and we will paste it in our upcoming more. H3, this is H3, H4, this is H4 heading, H5, this is H5 heading, H6, and this is H6 heading. Now let's see how it is shown here, and this is basically the 6 headings that are available in the HTML, and here how it will be displayed. And definitely you can code them with CSS, you can change their size, but then I think so these headings will not be needed. You can simply use you can still use the H1 tag, or you can use any other tag for that purpose. So next let's see the paragraph, and this is first paragraph. To write a paragraph in HTML we use the P tag. It actually represents a paragraph. This is the first paragraph. Here I'm just writing to see how it looks, and blah 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 blah. So let's add some text. Let's copy this, cut from here, paste it, just paste. So we wrote something like that and paste it. If you can see the HTML here we have put a lot of spaces, but the browsers do not recognize, and it just ignores these spaces, and as you can see they have put our text in a single one line. So these spaces doesn't mean anything. Let's create another paragraph. This is just another paragraph. We are just adding some text. And let's see this. If you can see between the paragraph the browser has added a space, and this is by default. We can control this space laterally then with the CSS, and inshallah we will do that. So this is the basic concept of the paragraph, and the HTML the browser does not recognize and ignores the white spaces that we have put in our HTML document, and a space between paragraph is put by default as well. Now let's see if we want to add a title to our paragraph. So let's delete these two paragraphs. They are just weird, they look weird, and we have two paragraphs. Only one paragraph we have, and here let's write something. Let me copy the lorem ipsum code from the internet. So here we are, and let's paste it over here. So here we have the lorem ipsum text, and if we want to add title to this paragraph, we can use the p take attribute, which is title is equal to, this is just a title, and save it and run it. Lorem ipsum, but that title is not visible over here, and when you move over here, I mean that hover over this text, it will show in a like a tooltip type. If you can see over here, this is just a title for the paragraph. So like this you can add a tooltip tag or a heading, a title tag. It's not just a heading because it's not visible, it's just a tooltip tag type title for the paragraph. Similarly, we can add a link. Okay, leave it as it is and make copy of it and come here and paste over it and write it here. Click here to go to google.com. So here we can add the href, the anchor tab. We use the anchor tab for links, and later on we will see how we can create the menu, the horizontal menu in HTML CSS, and here and there we will use the anchor tag. And let's see how we can add anchor over here. So just come over here and write a, hit enter, and now it creates an anchor tag for you. This is the anchor start, this is the anchor add, and here href representation, here we will add the link of the page. So just cut it from here and put it over here. So this click here will be a link type. We will have to click on this click here, and it will take us to the google.com, and it will take us to the google.com if we put Google address over here, google.com, www.google.com. So let's see if it works. Click here to go to google.com. So we will click over here, and it will not take us to google.com because if you see, it has added the address of our document, and after that it has put the google.com. And to solve this problem, we will give the entire, means the complete address of the google.com. So what's the complete address? We can use http or https :// and save it, and come over here, refresh this page, and now click on it. It will take you to google.com. So like this you can use the href tag. You can simply put hash if you don't have any link up till now, so it will not work, it will just act as an empty. And if you can see, it added a hash over here, and later on when you create your required page, so just you can add the link to that page. And let's see if you do not put anything, how it works. If you do not put anything over here, it works as a refresh. It means that if anybody clicks on this, it will refresh or reload the page. still it's not visible whether the page is reloaded or not, but yes, this page is reloaded. And later on we can use for scrolling, smooth scrolling, or to jumping to a point, and similar things. We can use this href tag as well. So that's all for this tutorial, because we have already taken up to 10 or 11 minutes in this tutorial. So see you in the next tutorial. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.